If you love spoiling your pets with cute toys and cozy beds, you might have come across marlenespetshop.com, an online store claiming to sell everything from cat tunnels and plush beds to fun accessories your furry friends would adore. But before you hit that checkout button, let's take a closer look at what's really going on behind the screen. Marlene's Pet Shop looks like a dream destination for pet lovers, but when you dig deeper, the story starts to shift. The website claims it's been around since 2009, yet public domain records show it was actually created in May 2024, which immediately raises eyebrows. Some of the reviews on the site are dated years before it even existed, suggesting they might not be genuine. On Trustpilot, real customers report slow shipping times, poor packaging, and disappointing product quality, with the site currently sitting at just 2.2 stars. Another red flag is the complete lack of transparency. There's no information about who runs the shop, no physical address, and no verified business background. Even the awards and trusted brand badges they display have no external verification. While it's true that new stores can sometimes face startup hiccups, the combination of fake reviews, misleading history, and poor feedback makes it hard to trust this shop with your money. Some buyers did eventually receive their items, but many mentioned they weren't worth the wait or the price. So, while marlenespetshop.com may look like a cozy corner of the internet for pet parents, there are just too many unanswered questions to call it reliable. If you're planning to shop for your pet online, it might be safer to stick with well-known, verified retailers that have a consistent reputation for quality and service. Your furry friend deserves better.